Good afternoon, my dear students. Did you miss Teacher Jenny? I'm sure I did miss you. How are you today? Are you excited to have a new set of lessons for this week? Yes, all right. So for the past 3 weeks, we've been talking about days of the week. Today, we're going to have a new topic.
Weather. How is the weather today? Is it cloudy? Windy? Is it sunny? Or rainy?
To continue our topic on animals, this week we will have reptiles. Can you say it with me? Reptiles.
Reptiles. Let's spell it together. R-E-P-T-I-L-E-S. Reptiles. So what are reptiles? Again, what is a reptile? A reptile is an animal that has dry skin. Also, a reptile is covered with scales. A reptile has holes as ears, or we can say ear holes. A reptile has 4 legs or no legs. Reptiles hatch from eggs. They come from eggs. Let's have a quick review. A reptile has dry skin. A reptile has scales. A reptile has ear holes. Some reptiles have 4 legs or no legs, and reptiles come from eggs.
Again, today we learned what are reptiles. Tomorrow we are going to name some of the examples of reptiles. I'm so excited. Alright, so I will see you tomorrow and have fun today. Bye-bye! Hello again, my dear students. You're back with Teacher Jenny. How are you today? Do you still remember what we talked about yesterday? Yes, we started with reptiles. Today we are going to name some of the examples of reptiles, okay? But before I do that, let's talk about the weather.
Weather. How is the weather today? Is it cloudy? Windy? Is it sunny? Or rainy? Let's go on with reptiles. These are today's words. Our first reptile is gecko. Next, iguana. Lizard. Turtle. snake, snake, snake. Tortoise, 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 tortoise. Crocodile, crocodile, crocodile. Chameleon, chameleon, chameleon.
Let's see if you can still remember the examples of reptiles. Let's play a game.
Name the reptile. Correct. Turtle. Next. It's a lizard. Very good. Of course, it's a snake. Snake. And the last one is chameleon. Very good. Chameleon.
Well done, kids! I think you did a very good job answering the question. I will see you tomorrow still talking about reptiles. Okay? Alright. Bye-bye for now. Happy Wednesday, my dear students. You're back with Teacher Jenny. How are you?
Crocodiles and
Right.
snakes
So yes, we've started the
eat
week with
meat.
reptiles, right? But before we go there, let's talk about the weather today.
Chameleons and geckos eat insects.
Alright, so kids, how is the weather today?
Tortoises
Is it
and
rainy day?
iguanas eat plants.
Sunny day? Cloudy day? Or windy day?
Reptiles. Reptiles. Today's lesson is, what do reptiles eat? Today's words are meat, meat, insect, insect, and plant, plant. Some reptiles like crocodiles and snakes eat meat. Chameleons and geckos eat insects. Tortoises and iguanas eat plants.
Once again, we talked about what do reptiles eat. I hope you learned something from teacher today. What day is it tomorrow? Tomorrow is Thursday, so that means we will have math. Okay? Alright, so have a nice day and bye-bye. It's a wonderful Thursday, my dear students. I am Teacher Jenny. How are you? Are you ready for today? That's good. Alright, before we go to our lesson, let's talk about the weather.
How is the weather today? Is it cloudy? Windy? Is it sunny or rainy? Today's lesson is about comparing numbers. So we will know greater than, less than, and equal to. This is greater than 7 and 5. 7 is bigger than 5. So we can say 7 is greater than 5. Again, 7 is greater than 5. 9 and 4. 9 is bigger than 4. So we can say 9 is greater than 4. 9 is greater than 4. This is less than. We have numbers 3 and 7. 3 is smaller than 7. So we can say 3 is less than 7. 3 is less than 7. We have numbers 8 and 10. 8 is smaller than 10. So we can say 8 is less than 10. 8 is less than 10. Lastly, equal to. We have 2 and 2. They are same numbers. So we can say 2 is equal to 2. The same with 6 and 6. 6 is equal to 6. Let's count and compare. Count how many birds. There are 5 and 6 birds. 5 is smaller than 6, so we can say 5 is less than 6. Next. Yes, there are 8 birds and 6 birds. 8 is bigger than 6. So let's say 8 is greater than 6. Alright, so there are 4 birds and also 4 birds. So the answer is 4 is equal to 4. Let's say it again. Greater than, less than, equal to. We have a homework today.
Please make sure to do your homework, okay? You can show it to teacher by a photo or a video. In your video, you can show to us that you can read. Alright? So, that's it for today. I will see you tomorrow for another lesson. Have a good day and bye-bye! Good day, my dear students. This is Teacher Jenny. How are you? What day is it today? Yes, today is Friday. That means we will learn and read new words. Okay? But before that, let's talk about the weather.
How is the weather today? Is it cloudy? Windy? Is it sunny? Or rainy? It's Phonics Day, so let's learn a new word family. This is letter E. The sound of E is eh. Next is letter N. The sound of N is N. N. Let's put another letter at the beginning. This is letter T. The sound of T is T. T. 10. Correct. 10. This is letter H. What is the sound of H? H. H. So it's hen. Hen. Next, let's put letter P. The sound of P is P. P. So this is pen. Pen. Next, let's put letter M. What is the sound of M? Men. Men. Lastly, let's put letter D. The sound of D is D. 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 N. Den. Den. Den.
Okay, so let's read the words one more time. 10. 10. Hen. Hen. Pen. Pen. Men. Men. Den. Den.
This is today's homework. Read the words and the sentences. The pen is red. The hen is fat. There are 10 hats.
Time to wrap up our week with that homework. Kids, make sure to do your homework, okay? Show it to teacher with a photo or a video of yourself reading the words. Alright, so I'm hoping to see you again, but for the moment, enjoy your weekend. Okay, bye-bye for now.